My name is Hannah, and this is my no-buy year. Today's video is a demonstration of this makeup look right here. I just filmed this look. I'm hoping that it went okay. As you may note, this is only my second time filming a tutorial or a makeup demonstration. I think I'm going to call this look Wearable Editorial Blush Draping or something like that. I'm considering starting a mini series of wearable editorial looks. So looks that I feel like are slightly on the editorial side of things, but not so far in that direction that you wouldn't wear it out in the light of day. I would wear this in the light of day. I do think it would be just on that other side of normal. Like it's just going a little bit in the direction of drama and fun, to be honest. I think it's actually really fun. Needless to say, all of the makeup that I used in this demonstration is makeup that I already owned. This is my no-buy year, and so this is a use what you have tutorial. I'm only using makeup that I have. That's my whole year, that's my whole project, that's my whole channel. So none of this is the latest and greatest, none of this is the next best thing. This is all stuff that I already have. And this is also almost all makeup from my current Shop My Stash. This demonstration features the Nars Super Orgasm Liquid Illuminator, which is something that I've had for a long time and gotten barely any use out of, and I'm just sort of reteaching myself how to use it. Yeah, so I use the eyeshadow palette, I use the liquid illuminator, I use the eye pencil, and I also use the lip gloss from my Shop My Stash. Is that everything? Oh, and I also use the Ordinary Coverage Foundation. That's also from my Shop My Stash. That's 5 things. This is like a Shop My Stash tutorial or something. Anyway, you're here to watch me put on the makeup. So let's go ahead and get into the meat of the video. This is the finished look. I love it. I love it. I am so into this uber dramatic blush draping situation. It's editorial, but to me, it's not even close to being unwearable. I absolutely love it, and I've been enjoying experimenting with these products so much. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Please let me know in the comment section down below if this is a look you've tried, or if you think you would wear a look like this, an uber blushy look. If you've ever blended your blush into your eyeshadow like this, that's something I'm really into lately. And it doesn't have to be this dramatic. I will often just take a little bit of the blush I'm wearing and kind of sweep it over my eye look. Even if it's a pretty natural day or a pretty natural look, it does kind of help bring the face alive, kind of bring the face together. It makes me look, in my opinion, less made up because it melts the look into itself, and it kind of looks more natural, like the planes of the face are related, rather than it looking like a face, two blush cheeks, two eyes, if you know what I mean. Using blush to melt the look into itself is a trick that I like to do. This is obviously the most dramatic most dramatic version of that, but it's because of that, it's a good example. Anyway, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you'll remember to take extra good care of yourself this week so that you can be the most effective version of yourself as you do your work in the world.